Hello friends, today we are introducing a very important as well as relevant topic for all GATE aspirants or everybody who is willing to pursue their masters from any institute, either IIT or NIT or any other institute. So today we are dealing with the topic of what will happen to stipend if the course is left in between. Like अगर हम कोर्स को बीच में छोड़ देते हैं तो क्या हमें स्टाइपेंड लौटाने पड़ेंगे या फिर नहीं लौटाने पड़ेंगे, तो इसके बारे में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द 12,400 मनी वी गेट पर मंथ फॉर द 2 years of our MTech from any institute, IIT or NIT. So friends, before going to the topic, I will first like to give a note point that this case taken here is like a general case, okay, and the cases may vary from institute to institute. So let's talk about our main topic now. So the day we get admission in any institute where we get a stipend from AICTE or MHRD, then when we take admission we start getting a stipend after like 2 to 3 months, okay, 2 to 3 months. And when we are a fresh graduate, like suppose I am taking admission in 2022 and I am passed also, like I have graduated from the BTech in 2022 only, okay. In that case I do not have my degree certificates like to submit in my college. So in this case we do not have some certificates to submit in our college. Suppose after like in August I have taken admission and I need to leave the college after like 5 months, like in December I need to leave the college for some reason, okay. A reason may I will discuss about the reason, but let's suppose first that I'm leaving the college in December, or let's say next year after like 12 months I'm leaving the college in June or July next year, okay. So for two reasons we can leave the college. One is for job and another is for taking admission somewhere else, okay, taking admission in some better place, okay, better place. So for job you do not need any certificate. Like if you have joined on your BTech or suppose or like on your BTech credential or some government job or anything, then you do not need your transfer certificate, anything from like from your master's institute, like from IIT or NIT, any place. So in this case you don't need to worry even about the stipend, okay. You will leave the college without even informing the college. In some cases you need to inform, like some institute has a clear regulation that you need to inform, but some cases are there where you don't even need to tell them that okay, I'm leaving the college. So in this case there is nothing to worry. But what if you are going to take admission in some place, like if you are admitted in NIT and you are going to get admission in now IIT, then what about this case? Then here there may be many cases. Like if you are getting admission in IIT, suppose you have taken admission in IIT and you are now taking admission in IIT after 5 months or 1 year with same GATE score, in this case you must return your stipend to the like present college, so that you will be like you will be getting admission in your next college. And when you will return your stipend, you will also be getting all your certificates you need to submit in your next college, okay. And what if you have like newer GATE score, like you are not applying with same GATE score, like you have 2 GATE score and you have applied in IIT with different GATE score. In that case you are totally a new candidate and you do not need to return your stipend to the present college if you have documents with you, like if you have not submitted documents to your present college, since you were passed in 2022 only and you didn't had the the documents, so you could not submit at that time. And in this case you will be treated in your next college as a fresh B, and you do not return, no need to return your stipend. So I think I have made myself clear, and your all your queries and questions are welcome in the comment box. So please let me know if anything I have missed. I will, even I can make a separate video on this topic if you guys ask questions a lot. So guys, thank you for your watching this video. Thank you.